Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. The ultimate guide to brownies, history, types, and perfecting your recipe. Brownies are much more than just a sweet treat, they're a comforting staple in many kitchens. Originating in the United States in the late 19th century, these rich, chocolatey delights have evolved into countless variations that satisfy any chocolate lover's cravings. From Fudgy to Cakey, the appeal of brownies lies in their versatility and ease of preparation. People often turn to brownies for celebrations, cozy nights in, or simply to indulge a sweet tooth. In this video, you'll learn about the history of brownies, the different types you can try, and tips to perfect your baking skills. Whether you're a novice baker or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone to enjoy. History of brownies. Brownies have a rich history that captivates both food enthusiasts and casual bakers. Their journey from casual dessert to beloved staple began in the late 19th century in the United States. There are a multitude of theories surrounding their creation, as well as interesting ways they grew in popularity. Origin stories. One of the most debated topics among food historians is the origin of brownies. Some suggest that they first emerged in the late 1800s, possibly as an accidental creation. One popular story claims that a chef in a Boston hotel forgot to add baking powder to a batch of chocolate cake batter, resulting in the soft, dense treat we know today. Another intriguing theory attributes the invention of brownies to the home economics movements of the early 20th century, which pushed for easier and economical recipes. In 1907, the first known print recipe for brownies appeared in the Boston Cooking School magazine by Fanny Farmer, laying the groundwork for countless variations. Some also connect brownies to the blondie, a vanilla-based dessert resembling the chocolate brownie but with unique flavors. Over time, the recipes for brownies evolved, incorporating different ingredients like nuts, caramel, and even cream cheese. This flexibility has allowed brownies to adapt to regional tastes and trends, further solidifying their place in American cuisine. Popularization in America. Brownies truly gained traction in American households as the 20th century unfolded. The dessert became synonymous with gatherings, celebrations, and everyday joys. Their convenience made them a favorite among families, particularly during events like potlucks and bake sales. By the 1920s, brownies were firmly established in American cookbooks, reflecting their rise in popularity. They became a staple for school lunches, birthday parties, and holiday gatherings. Their association with leisure and enjoyment contributed significantly to their cultural significance. Today, brownies are not just a dessert but a symbol of comfort and connection. They evoke memories of warm afternoons spent baking with loved ones or celebrating milestones with a gooey, chocolate delight. Whether served plain, topped with frosting, or drizzled with caramel, brownies continue to be a beloved treat that brings people together. As we move further into the evolution of brownies, it's clear that these sweet squares have earned their rightful spot in kitchen cabinets and dessert tables across the nation. Types of brownies. Brownies come in various styles, each offering a unique taste and texture. From classic fudgy options to lighter alternatives, there's a brownie for every palate. Let's explore the different types that you can enjoy or even try baking at home. Classic fudgy brownies. The hallmark of brownies is their rich, fudgy texture. Classic fudgy brownies are dense, with a gooey, moist interior that melts in your mouth. They are typically made using high-quality chocolate or cocoa powder, butter, eggs, and sugar. The combination results in a deep chocolate flavor that is incredibly satisfying. To create these brownies, start by melting dark chocolate with butter. This step is crucial, as it results in that characteristic fudginess. After adding sugar and eggs, mix in flour until just combined. You can also fold in chocolate chips or nuts for added texture. Let these beauties cool before cutting them into squares, and be prepared to indulge in their intense chocolate goodness. Chewy brownies. Chewy brownies bridge the gap between fudgy and cake-like options. They have a delightful chewy texture, achieved by using more flour and less sugar than their fudgy counterparts. This results in a brownie that has a slightly crisp outer crust and a moist, tender interior. To make chewy brownies, use a similar base as fudgy brownies but adjust a few elements. You'll want to add an extra egg and decrease the amount of butter slightly. This adjustment enhances the chewiness and gives them a satisfying bite. You'll find these brownies are perfect for when you want a little variation in your brownie experience. Blondies. Blondies are a delightful twist on traditional brownies. Unlike their chocolate counterparts, blondies feature a rich, buttery flavor with hints of vanilla and brown sugar. They often contain white chocolate, nuts, or even caramel for added sweetness and texture. Making blondies follows a similar process to brownies, with the key difference being the omission of cocoa powder. They are a great option for those who may prefer a lighter dessert or want to try something new. The result is a sweet treat perfect for any occasion, boasting a rich caramel-like flavor. Vegan and gluten-free options. As diets evolve, so do brownie recipes. It's now easy to find delicious vegan and gluten-free brownie options that cater to dietary needs without sacrificing flavor. To create vegan brownies, substitute eggs and dairy with ingredients like applesauce or bananas for moisture and binding. Instead of conventional flour, use almond meal or gluten-free flour to ensure a satisfying texture. Many vegan recipes also incorporate nut butters for richness. These brownies will surprise you with their moistness and flavor, proving that dietary restrictions don't mean compromising on enjoyment. With so many styles, you can experiment with different types of brownies to find your favorite or create your own unique version. Perfecting your brownie recipe. When it comes to making mouth-watering brownies, understanding the key ingredients and techniques can make all the difference. Whether you're aiming for a dense, fudgy texture or a light, cakey finish, attention to detail in your recipe and process will help you create brownie perfection every time. Key ingredients and their roles. To truly master brownies, you should be familiar with the main ingredients and what each one contributes to the final product. Chocolate or cocoa powder gives brownies their rich, chocolatey flavor. High-quality chocolate will yield a deeper taste and smoother texture. Butter adds richness and moisture. Using unsalted butter allows better control over the salt content in your recipe. Sugar helps with the texture. Different sugars, granulated, brown, or a mix, can affect moisture and chewiness. Eggs bind the ingredients together and provide structure. The number of eggs can change the texture. More eggs often lead to a cakier brownie, while fewer yield a fudgier result. Flour gives your brownies structure. All-purpose flour is most common, but experimenting with different types can create varied textures. Vanilla extract rounds out the chocolate notes. It's a small addition, but it makes a noticeable difference. Understanding these ingredients will help you adjust your recipe as needed. Baking techniques. Cooking is as much about technique as it is about ingredients. Here are some best practices to keep in mind for baking brownies. Mise en place: gather and measure all your ingredients in advance. Melt chocolate and butter together. This creates a glossy batter and enhances fudginess. Don't overmix when adding flour, mix just until combined. Chill the batter if you have time. Chilling boosts flavor and texture. Use parchment paper for easy removal. Monitor baking temperature with an oven thermometer. Bake in the right pan. Glass and metal pans heat differently. Perfecting brownies is both an art and a science. Brownies have a timeless allure that keeps them a favorite dessert for many. Their rich flavor and comforting texture make them a perfect choice for any occasion. Whether you stick to classic recipes or experiment with new ingredients, there's no limit to what you can create. What unique twist will you put on your next brownie recipe? Let me know if you want me to apply this style to the rest of your content. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.